Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through installing the HubSpot Sales plugin for Outlook. Start by clicking the New button to open a new email composition window. A blank message window opens with the formatting ribbon visible at the top. Click the Insert tab at the top of the window to access insertion options. Click the Apps button in the ribbon, which opens the Apps menu with several add-in management options. Click Apps again to open the add-ins for Outlook dialog, where you can search for and manage installed add-ins. Click into the Find an App search box and type HubSpot Sales. The search results populate showing matching add-ins. Click the Add button next to the HubSpot Sales result to install it. In the search box, type HubSpot Sales and select HubSpot Sales from the drop-down results. The results page for HubSpot Sales renders with details about the add-in. Click the HubSpot Sales card to open its full details page. After installation, the HubSpot Sales icon appears in your email composition ribbon. Click it to open the sidebar and log in to connect your HubSpot account. If you don't see the add-in immediately, close the composition window completely, then open a new email and check the Insert tab again. You can manage or remove installed add-ins anytime by returning to the Add-ins dialog through the same Apps button. The add-in works in both new emails and replies, letting you track opens and log emails to HubSpot directly from Outlook. That's how to install the HubSpot Sales plugin for Outlook. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.